Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDC from XMO to Coinbase in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. USDC is a stablecoin that's widely used, and transferring it between exchanges like XMO and Coinbase can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do this with confidence. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both XMO and Coinbase. Double check that your accounts are verified and that you have some USDC in your XMO wallet. Security is key, so enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Step 1. Log into your XMO account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Balance section and find your USDC holdings. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. Select USDC as the asset you want to withdraw. You'll need to choose the correct network, most likely Ethereum, as USDC is an ERC20 token. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but remember to account for any network fees. Step 3. Now, switch over to your Coinbase account. Go to your wallet, find your USDC balance, and copy the deposit address. This is crucial. Make sure you're using the exact address for USDC on the right network to avoid any issues. Step 4. Back on XMO, paste the Coinbase address into the withdrawal form. Double-check everything: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're sure, hit confirm. You'll probably get a confirmation email or SMS, so keep an eye on that. After you initiate the transfer, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Coinbase and check your USDC balance to confirm the funds have arrived. A few quick tips. Always start with a small test transfer if you're unsure. Be aware of any withdrawal fees on XMO and gas fees on the blockchain. And remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so stay vigilant. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDC from XMO to Coinbase in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.